Hello and welcome to Technic Force Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you the DoTeam Dashboard. Let's go. This is the account of the organization owner or admin. In this dashboard, you will see two parts, All and Me. When you click on all the members' records will show in the dashboard, like the weekly mouse activity, weekly keyboard activity, and weekly time, because in the drop-down, weekly is the one selected. If you click on Today, the daily reports of the members will be shown. Here is the activity screenshot. The top 12 screenshots of the week will be shown here. When you click on View all the screenshots will be shown. When you click on the screenshot, the preview of the screenshot will open. You can see it easily, then close it here. Also, the members and projects lists will be shown here with their weekly activity and weekly time. When you click on Today from the drop-down, today's activity and time will be shown here. The total number of tasks will be seen here. Here, these are the top 10 tasks. When you click on View all the tasks will be shown in the Tasks section. When you click on Me, the current user's records will be shown in the dashboard, like the weekly mouse activity, weekly keyboard activity, weekly projects, tasks, and time. Again, because weekly is selected from the drop-down, the weekly activity of the current user is shown here. The current user's screenshots, activities, and projects is seen here, with the weekly activity and weekly time. Then, when you scroll down, you will see the tasks assigned to this user. And that's it on what the DoTeam dashboard looks like. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.